Transferring money from CIBC to Tangerine is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. To transfer money from CIBC to a Tangerine account, you have to open up the CIBC website. Now, from its website, you will get to know about the process of how to transfer money between your accounts. So, there are many ways to send money to friends and family abroad using CIBC Global Money Transfer. Then, scroll down to Here's How It Works. Now, to see the first step, sign on to CIBC Online or Mobile Banking. From the menu, select Global Money Transfer. Now, the third step is to enter your recipient's information and the amount you would like to send. After that, choose the account you want to choose and select Submit. Your recipient will get the money in 1 to 3 business days. This way, you will be able to transfer funds from CIBC to Tangerine.